So for the first step of our install, we're going to need a bolt plate and a bolt out of the kit, and I'm actually going to thread the bolt into the bolt plate. From there, you're going to look for these 3 holes underneath of your ram. Usually this top one is covered with a sticker. You can remove that, and all we're going to do is just fish that bolt plate in between the metal plates there. Once we have it in position, we can put a plastic washer over that bolt. So once you have it in this position, you can grab onto the bolt plate and remove that bolt. And I'm just going to twist that down until we can meet up with it right there. Then from there we can hang our bracket, and I'm just going to twist that bolt plate back up. Then get that bolt back through it, this time with the lock washer and flat washer. We're just going to get a nut, lock washer, and flat washer on our bolt plate side as well. And then we're going to focus on these 2 holes down here. Now, if your truck does not have these 2 holes in the pinch weld, I believe 09, 10, and 2011 model years do not, you will have to measure this and drill these out first. Now, as far as those 2 holes go, we're just going to secure that with the flat washer and button head bolt on this side. And then on the other side, we're going to use the flat washer and a 10mm flange nut. Then we can grab the Allen key included in the kit, and again, a 10mm socket to tighten down the 2 bottom bolts. Then we're going to come back around to underneath the truck. We're going to tighten down this 13mm bolt and 13mm nut.